What is the meaning of the word bolt? As a noun, a sliding bar in a breech-loading firearm that ejects an empty cartridge and replaces it and closes the breech. The part of a lock that is engaged or withdrawn with a key. A roll of cloth or wallpaper of a definite length. A screw that screws into a nut to form a fastener. A sudden abandonment, as from a political party. As a verb, move or jump suddenly. Secure or lock with a bolt. Swallow hastily. Make or roll into bolts. Examples of use: she bolted from her seat. Bolt the door. Bolt fabric. Bolt is spelled B-O-L-T. Bolt.